Wow, Anna, you're already up and moving so early this morning. What keeps you so busy every day? Oh, you really want to know, Michael. My day starts long before you even open your eyes. Really? All I ever see is breakfast on the table. There's a lot more to it before that, my dear. I'll tell you, step by step. You might be surprised. All right then. I'm listening carefully today. I wake up at 6 o'clock sharp. The whole house is still quiet, and everyone's asleep. 6 o'clock. That's so early, Anna. Why wake up so soon? Because, Michael, I like to prepare before the chaos begins. First, I open the curtains and let the morning sunlight fill the room. Open the curtains? You mean pull them back so the light comes in. Exactly. The fresh air and soft light help me feel peaceful and awake. I listen to the birds and enjoy the calm before the busy hours start. Morning peace. I'm usually still dreaming at that time. Yes, my sleepy husband. That's why you never see how much happens before breakfast. After waking up, I head to the bathroom to get ready. Get ready. Like, wash up and prepare for the day. Yes, exactly. I splash cool water on my face. It wakes me up instantly. Splash water. You mean you throw water on your face with your hands? Yes. Then I brush my teeth. Brush your teeth. That's the same as clean your teeth, right? Right, dear. Both mean the same thing. After that, I comb my hair. If it's messy, I tie it up in a ponytail. Messy means not tidy, right? Exactly. Once my hair looks neat, I feel ready for the day. So you wake up, wash your face, brush your teeth, and fix your hair. Perfect summary. Michael, that's my short bathroom routine. After that, I make myself a cup of coffee. Coffee in the morning. Liquid energy, right? Exactly. It gives me a calm focus. While I sip my coffee, I think about my plans for the day. My to-do list. A to-do list, a list of things you need to finish. Yes, things like cooking, cleaning, or shopping. By the way, did you know that the word breakfast literally means to break the fast? Really? Yes, you don't eat all night long. So in the morning, you break that fast. So breakfast is the first meal you have after sleeping. Wow. That makes so much sense. Exactly. After my coffee, I start cooking breakfast. I fry some eggs, toast some bread, and slice up some fruit. Toast bread, you mean heated until it turns brown and crispy. Yes. And when the delicious smell spreads through the house, the kids wake up right away. So the smell of food is their alarm clock. It's true. Around 7, Emma and Jack come running into the kitchen. Emma gives me a hug, and Jack yawns and sits down at the table. They start telling me about their dreams. And soon after, you appear with a smile. Yes, that's my favorite time of day. I read the newspaper while we all eat together. Breakfast is our special family moment. We talk, we laugh, and we enjoy the morning together. After breakfast, the kids grab their school bags. I always check their lunch boxes to make sure they have everything they need. A lunchbox, that's the food packed in a small box for them to take to school, right? Exactly. Then you head off to work, and I start my house chores. When everyone leaves, the house gets quiet again. I start by cleaning the kitchen. I wash the dishes, wipe the table, and put everything away. Wipe the table, that means you clean it with a cloth. Yes, wipe just means to clean something using a cloth. After that, I sweep the floor with a broom. And sweep means to move all the dust and dirt away using a broom. Exactly. Sweep the floor means to use a broom to clean it. Then I make the beds and open the windows to let in some fresh air. Make the bed means to arrange the blanket and pillows neatly. Yes, that's it. Then I do the laundry. I put the clothes in the washing machine and press start. And laundry just means clothes that need to be washed, right? Exactly. While I'm waiting for the machine to finish, I listen to music and sometimes even sing along. Aha! That explains the beautiful singing I hear some mornings. After that, I water the plants. Some of them have flowers, and others are tall and green. Water the plants means to give them water to keep them alive, right? Yes, exactly. It's a small thing, but it makes me happy. At 11 o'clock, I hang the clean clothes outside to dry in the sun. Hang the clothes, you mean you put them on a line or a hanger so they can dry. Exactly. I prefer using the sunlight. It makes the clothes smell so fresh and clean. That sounds very peaceful. Fresh clothes and sunshine together. Around noon, I cook myself a light lunch, maybe some vegetable soup or a cheese sandwich. A sandwich is just food put between two pieces of bread, right? Yes, simple but very tasty. I eat quietly and read a book. It feels so calm and peaceful, just me and the ticking clock. After lunch, I take my shopping bag and walk to the nearby store. A shopping bag, that's a bag for carrying groceries. Yes. And groceries are the food and daily items you buy from the store. I always greet my neighbors on the way and then buy fresh vegetables, milk, and bread. I always check the eggs to make sure none are broken. That's smart. I always forget to do that. At the counter, the cashier always says, "Have a nice day," and I smile back. Such small words, but they really make a difference. At 4 o'clock, I go to the bus stop to meet Emma and Jack. The bus stop, the place where the school bus drops them off. Yes. They come home, throw their bags down, and start talking immediately. Emma shows me her drawings, and Jack tells me all about his football game. I love those moments. The house feels so alive again. Then I start to prepare dinner. I cut vegetables, wash rice, and season the chicken. And season means to add salt, pepper, and spices for flavor, right? Exactly. The smell starts to fill the house, and at 6 o'clock, you come home. The kids run to you, shouting, "Daddy." That is the absolute best part of my day. We all sit down for dinner, together rice, chicken, and vegetables. Vegetables foods like carrots, beans, and broccoli, right? Yes. healthy, and fresh. Dinner is always a special family time. After dinner, we clean up together. You dry the dishes while I wash them. Dry the dishes means to remove the water with a towel, right? Exactly. Working together makes it go so much faster. Later, we all relax maybe. We watch a short TV show or play a board game with the kids. A board game? You mean a game you play on a table? Not a video game. Yes. It's cozy and fun. At 8, the kids get ready for bed. They brush their teeth, put on their pajamas, and climb into bed. Pajamastós are the special clothes just for sleeping. Right, exactly. I tuck them in and read them a short story. Emma loves fairy tales, and Jack loves adventure stories. When they're asleep, I call my mom to ask how she's doing. A phone call keeps you close even when you're far away. It does. Before I go to bed, I drink a cup of tea and make my to-do list for tomorrow. Then I brush my teeth, change into my pajamas, and go to bed. And that's the end of my long, full day. Wow, you do so much, Anna. I never realized just how much until now. That's why talking about your daily routine is so important. When you can describe your day, people understand your effort, and that helps build confidence. Exactly. So, to all our friends watching, practice talking about your daily routine in English. Don't hide your hard work. Share it with confidence and a smile. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. See you next time.